8 benefits of ginger tea: relieve nausea, improve stomach performance, reduce inflammation, fight respiratory problems, improve blood circulation, relieve menstrual discomfort, strengthen immunity, relieve stress. Ingredients: 2 inch ginger piece, crush it, half liter water, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 cardamom also known as ilachi, 2 cloves, 5 peppercorns crushed into powder, pinch of turmeric. Preparation: switch on the stove and place a bowl with half liter of water. Add crushed ginger, cinnamon stick, cardamom, 2 cloves, crushed pepper, pinch of turmeric. Now boil the water for 5 minutes. Strain the liquid and add 2 teaspoons honey, 1 teaspoon lemon juice to it. Mix it well and drink. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.